Hey there, welcome to Hershey, Pennsylvania, home of America's largest RV show, where this year we're bringing you an exclusive look at the most exciting new RVs of 2026 from the nation's top brands.
And what a year 2026 is going to be if you're in the market for an RV. And in case you don't know, Hershey's basically, it's the place where we get a brand new look. Chris and I get to see everything that's new for the 2026 model year, from never before seen RV models to standout upgrades on a lot of the fan favorites. This right here is the perfect chance to see everything new that's coming from the manufacturers.
And trust us, there's going to be a lot to get excited about. From a compact toy hauler to a hybrid double-stacked bunk model, and to a remarkable destination loft RV, the likes of which you've never seen, and plenty more. We've tracked down the hottest new RVs you'll want to see.
Let's jump in. Let's take a look at the best of show of the 2026 model year as presented this year in Hershey. And to kick things off, you're gonna love this tiny toy hauler hybrid, and I truly think you have to see it to believe it. And here we go. Now, when it comes to small, affordable, easy to tow travel trailers, last year, the Keystone Coleman 13B took center stage, right? But this year, Coleman took that same under 16-foot frame and created something truly spectacular with the all-new 13T. And yes, that T is for toy hauler, or maybe for tents, because this one has both. That's right, the all-new 13T combines toy hauler utility with a side pop-out tent, giving you both gear hauling capacity and additional sleeping space. But despite being under 16 foot long, it manages to include a full front kitchen, a wet bath, Murphy bed and TV prep, and it even has a 10-foot garage. Clever details like the bar top dining space and garage tie-downs make it surprisingly versatile for its size. This unique crossover design appeals to probably adventurous couples, right, who want maximum flexibility at the campsite. And I know, the gears are already turning with all the applications for a small, cool travel trailer like this. And because it is so small, you don't need a huge vehicle to tow it. So this compact, unique, versatile RV is a great option if you've been on the lookout for a non-conventional travel trailer that doesn't include the high price tag like some more of your customized options. However, next up is a brand new front kitchen floor plan from Rockwood that, in my opinion, is perfect for couples who still want something small and nimble, but want to be able to host guests with the best of them.
You don't always have to reinvent the wheel to create a standout RV. With the Rockwood 2523 MBR, you get a classic floor plan executed with impressive design and attention to detail. The front kitchen layout is perfect for camping couples who appreciate space. This one checks all the boxes for that active couple, so let's check it out. This front kitchen layout features a windshield. Yes, you got an automotive glass windshield up front. Solid surface countertops that wrap all the way around the kitchen to provide a countertop area with chairs. Some of the cabinets, check it out, come with soft close drawers. Very awesome, and even hidden hinges on your cabinet doors up top. Plus, this one has a ton of extra features like washer dryer prep, 12-volt smart TV, extra closets that are great for longer trips. You even get an outdoor fridge. This unit provides a number of exterior storage options, including in the slide outs. You have an indoor-outdoor storage compartment, so if it's raining and you need to get something, lift the bed, just don't wake the loved one. And this comfy little cutie even comes with a climate protection package featuring 12-volt thermostat-controlled heated tanks and radiant foil insulation in the front cap, underbelly, and slide outs, which makes it ideal for some cold weather camping. In short, the 2523 MBR does two things really well. It's a solid compact travel trailer that still provides tons of storage inside and out. And its front kitchen floor plan somehow integrates a robust kitchen with the ability to host guests and have you feel like you actually have a proper living room. That, to me, is a win in my book. But the 2523 MBR is really best suited for couples. Up next on the list is a bunk model from Wildwood that is, again, redefining what's possible for the family camper. For families, the Forest River Wildwood 300 ICE is turning heads, and for good reason. This unique split bunk room floor plan does a lot of things well, but its strength is appealing to a lot of different needs with just one RV. An open floor kitchen and living room floor plan ideal for entertaining guests? It's got it. A secluded room for movies and TVs that acts as a second living room. it's got that as well. Does it all. Let's check it out. I mean, we're going to start right here with this innovatively designed kitchen. Just take a look at everything that you have, from the overhead cabinets, the dimmable blade lighting, to the extended thermoform countertop, including a fireplace under your extendable dinette. This area alone stands out as versatile and functional. Not only that, it's fun. How about a split bunk room? Check this out. You have not only a foldable bed under an extendable queen bed up top, but you got a door on this side and a door on the camp side, which opens up to your stairs that lead up to the queen size foldable bunk, even a spot to do some work if you need it. Great for the kids that want to watch movies, play the games, or get the work done while you're RVing. Through the pass-through bathroom at the front is going to be the private sanctuary, featuring a king-size tilt-a-view bed, tons of storage, and washer-dryer prep. With zone living for the family, the medium-sized 300 ICE feels a lot bigger than it is. And that's a great option for families who want their RV to do a lot, but aren't ready to buy a fifth wheel or a larger travel trailer. I think this one checks all the boxes. But if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, our next few options are some of the hottest for 2026.
So Campsite made its name with some iconic improvements to the travel trailer and destination trailer segment, including massive panoramic windows, superior storage, and an incredible array of just practical features that make life at the campsite easier, all at a competitive price point. So it's honestly no surprise that their first foray into the fifth wheel market is yielding similar results, starting with the mid-bunk, the 36RF. They've taken a familiar floor plan and made it their own with some of those same campsite themes, right? Storage, practical upgrades, and big old windows. The mid-bunk floor plan just creates a unique family-friendly space with a drop bunk where you have a desk over to the side, you have cubbies, and there's loft storage that's gonna be typical of the campsite brand, right? You get clever, space-conscious, and multi-purpose storage. Residential features such as theater seating, a rear hide-a-bed sofa, and the bar height kitchen island just make the whole space feel more residential. And there's going to be hidden storage behind the TV, plus a projector with a screen in the bedroom that provides clever and unexpected bonuses you normally don't see. And as the first campsite fifth wheel, it also is going to carry forward the panoramic windows, and again, that thoughtful storage that just define the entire brand. There's tons of upgraded other features as well. You're looking at things like a water purification system, the slide-out TV in the pass-through storage, outside kitchen, ultra-ride suspension, and the list goes on. And given all that Campsite has accomplished, including becoming the fastest growing brand in its segment, I'm honestly not surprised that they have 100% delivered on fifth wheels. However, this is still going to be a mid-profile fifth wheel, even with all these upgrades. So it's going to remain nice and affordable to a lot of different campers, especially those who have been considering moving into the fifth wheel segment. Maybe Campsite is the reason for you to make a switch. Of course, a mid-bunk floor plan is going to be great for those that are traveling with kids or guests, right? But what about something that's suited a little more for couples? Well, our next fifth wheel is an all-new floor plan from Keystone Cougar that I think you're going to enjoy. Let's check it out. Okay, there's at least 3 things to get excited about in this all-new Cougar 350 LLK. The first one is going to be where you sleep. The second, where you relax. And the third, where you cook. And I know it might sound simple, but Keystone has given couples a residential setup that will have you comfortable and excited in just about every room of this camper. Take the rear kitchen, for example, right? The whole thing is loaded with residential appliances like a 16 cubic foot fridge, a microwave, dishwasher prep, pantry storage, tons of counter space, campside stainless steel sink, and even overhead cabinets. You also have a dual slide out living area with a large L-shaped couch and freestanding dinette with ottoman for hosting all of your guests. There's a fireplace, an entertainment center, ceiling fan, and so much more. Plus, you still get the full front suite, including a standard queen size bed with an optional king, and underbed storage. You have the front full height wardrobe, pull out laundry, washer and dryer prep, sliding dresser top with storage, and the bathroom even has a large shower and seat. Outside, you're looking at 2 power awnings, 4-point auto level, pass-through storage, climate guard protection package for some extended season camping, and this one comes standard with the Solar Flex 220. I mean, there's literally everything you love about a Cougar in a brand new floor plan that is absolutely perfect for couples. But let's turn to another new fifth wheel debut. This one comes from Nightfall, a brand that's best known for its travel trailer toy haulers, and it's ideal for those who love the idea of a smaller toy hauler, but still want that fifth wheel towability.
Nightfall travel trailer toy haulers stand out for offering a unique blend of toy hauler functionality in a smaller package while still feeling completely modern and residential on the inside. Now, that's a tall order that they somehow pulled off. But with their first fifth wheel toy hauler, Nightfall is sticking to what they do best. 276N comes in under 32 feet long and about 9,000 pounds unloaded, giving owners some serious hauling ability with relatively compact shortness in a fifth wheel. Let's check it out. The 16-foot garage with the heavy-duty tie-downs, the gaucho sofas on opposing sides, and patio deck makes this a true toy hauler for bigger gear. Now on the inside, campers are going to find upscale touches like a fireplace, entertainment center, convection microwave, and stainless sinks. Some high-quality details such as soft close hinges, fiberglass front cap, tinted windows, and generator prep show strong construction. And of course, with things like a fuel station, weatherproof ramp door, and rear patio deck, which is awesome, it is designed to serve as a rugged base camp. If you're in the market for a nimble toy hauler, the Nightfall 276N brings a lot of promise to an already impressive toy hauler brand. For a more residential feel in a toy hauler that doesn't cost a fortune, Nightfall seems to be onto something, and I think it's great. And you know what? Speaking of residential, what we have next takes the cake if you're looking for the most home-like RV imaginable with another from Campsite Reserve. So last year was truly the year of the destination trailer, with a number of brands introducing all new models that push the boundaries of what's possible with what has traditionally been, well, for lack of a better term, a lesser known hybrid RV. And Campsite Reserve was among them, introducing the 39JD, and its widespread popularity now gives way to their next iteration in the destination trailer space, the 39LA. So what do you say we check out what Campsite has done this time to reimagine the lofted destination space? You got quadruple slide outs, which creates an expansive living room anchored by both an L-shaped sofa on the off-camp side and traditional sofa on the camp side. The residential front kitchen includes modern lighting, full appliances, and spacious pantry for long-term use. Dual lofts provide additional sleeping and storage, making it ideal for large families or groups. This lofted floor plan keeps the bedroom and the sleeping area separate from the kitchen, which in my opinion, much better than some have done in the past. In the rear, you got a king bedroom. In the middle, you got entertainment center, plus full bathroom and dual entry doors, which help add comfort and privacy. Spacious, residential, and brimming with the type of upgrades Campsite is known for. The 39LA is turning heads, and if you're considering a lofted destination trailer, this year, it should certainly be at the top of your short list.
All right, and Chris, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Keep your eye out for all these new RVs at a campsite or Camping World near you.
And hey, in the meantime, we've got tons of RV reviews, RV overviews, and walkthroughs from the show headed your way. So be sure to tune in, like, subscribe, and notify, hit all of those, and let us know what's your favorite from the new model year. And until next time, we'll see you soon.
See ya.